The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. A coastal flood advisory has also been issued. This coastal flood advisory is in effect from 6 a.m. Saturday to 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday. The coastal flood advisory is no longer in effect. Coastal flooding: moderate coastal flooding during time of high tide with tide levels 3 feet above mean sea level or higher, 2 feet inundation. Timing: dangerous rip currents from Saturday morning through Sunday morning. Coastal flooding during times of high tide. The next high tide at Bob Hall Pier is 9:16 p.m. Friday and 10:33 p.m. Saturday. Impacts: rip currents can sweep away even the best swimmers away from shore into deeper water. These rip currents can become life-threatening to anyone entering the surf. Poor driving conditions are expected as water reaches the dunes. Beach access roads become impassable. A coastal flood warning means that flooding is occurring or imminent. Coastal residents in the warned area should be alert for rising water and take appropriate action to protect life and property. A coastal flood advisory indicates that onshore winds and tides will combine to generate flooding of low areas along the shore. Swim near a lifeguard. If caught in a rip current, relax and float. Don't swim against the current. If able, swim in a direction following the shoreline. If unable to escape, face the shore and call or wave for help.